Hi, I'm Mr. Timmins. I'm one of the graphics teachers here in Sutton Park School. What we have here is a class of second years, and they've been working quite hard all year on different aspects of geometry. We introduced them to freehand sketching as well and computer-aided design. Now there are two types of computer-aided design programs we use. One is called Onshape and one is called SolidWorks. Let's go through the class and take a look at some of the students' work that they're doing. It's revision now at this time of the year, just for the summer exams. Paul, would you like to give us a look at what you're doing there and just explain what's happening and the geometry behind it?
Yeah, so it's just like a toy helicopter, and it's based off an ellipse, and there are tangents and
okay, so the ellipse is quite a complex geometric curve, and you learned how to construct one of those at the start of the year. Tangents, normals, that sort of those sort of words are used a lot in this sort of type of geometry. Freehand sketching, Sarah, you don't have any freehand sketching there, but your computer-aided design and freehand sketching, which do you prefer, the geometry or the freehand sketching?
I prefer the freehand sketching because it allows you to be more creative, and it allows you to take your own spin on things. But I do enjoy the geometry as well because there's a bit of structure and there's like instructions that you follow.
So you did quite a big complex project for me before Christmas, which was based on our solar system. Do you just want to give a quick explanation of what you did?
So for our CBA one, we had to design a space hub on a planet in our solar system that 12 to 20 astronauts could live in for 6 to 12 months. And we just had to figure out how they could survive. So we had to figure out what materials they would need depending on the different planet and the atmosphere. We had to decide how to make water and oxygen for them, how to make artificial gravity. So it was really interesting because it's something that I wouldn't usually think about. So exploring that field was really interesting.
So what we were basically doing is we were drawing on all aspects of STEM, science, technology, engineering, maths, bringing it all into that one assignment, and then they had to create the 3D living quarters for the astronauts using the software on the computers, and plenty of freehand sketching and the science and technology. So this is second years, then third years move on, and fourth years we take a look at a lot of engineering and a lot of careers in which this subject can bring it to. And this is the first year where in third year now we have 2 full classes at this level. We've never had that luxury before, it's always been 1 class, so we're predicting we'll have 2 full classes going forward to Leaving Cert for design and communication graphics.
And any words for first years considering taking the subject, Mr. Timmins?
Okay, I'm going to throw that back at you, Brian. Somebody coming into first year next year, what would you say? Take it or?
I'd take it.
Why?
If you want to go into branches of engineering or aerospace, either or, it's very hands-on. So it's not much more memorization like history or geography. You more have to just do what
you have to understand the geometry to be able to tackle a problem. So there's very little rote learning in this. We can't learn it off, we have to understand it. Plus there's also the computer-aided design, which you like as well.
I like computer-aided design, yes.
And if somebody wasn't good at freehand sketching, what would you say to them?
Practice makes perfect.
Just practice, yeah. We teach you how to be good at that sort of area, so don't let that put you off. Okay?